I'm Susan. Today I'm trying a new recipe with one of my favorite ingredients, and that's peanut butter. If you've watched my channel, you know I have a lot of peanut butter recipes. And this is a peanut butter sheet cake, and it sounds delicious. And so I hope it'll taste delicious. It's like I said, it's a sheet cake, and so no dealing with stacking up cakes or anything like that. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're doing great. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, for the cake part, I'll need 1 cup of water, a half a cup of vegetable oil, a half a cup of peanut butter, creamy, a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, and a half a cup of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And to a medium saucepan, you want to add your water, oil, peanut butter, and butter, and cook it on medium heat, stirring constantly until everything is smooth. Once it's nice and smooth, you want to cut your heat off and remove your pan from the heat. Now to a large bowl, you want to add your flour, your baking soda, your sugar, and give it a good mix. Now you want to add your 2 eggs, and your milk, and vanilla. Now you want to mix everything until it's combined well. Now you want to scrape your peanut butter mixture into your flour mixture and mix it up really well. Now you want to pour your batter into a prepared 9x13 cake dish or cake pan. And I just sprayed mine with Baker's Joy. You can, just as long as it's buttered and greased. You want to bake this cake for about 25 minutes in your preheated 375 degree oven, or until a toothpick comes out clean. And it took my cake longer than the 25 minutes. For my icing, I need a half a cup of creamy peanut butter, a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, 1/3 cup of milk, 4 3/4 cups of sifted powdered sugar. Now sifted first, then measured, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now in a medium saucepan over medium heat, the recipe actually said you didn't have to wash your pan, that you could just use it again, but I did wash mine. And you want to mix your peanut butter, and your milk over medium heat until everything is smooth and combined. Now you want to add in your powdered sugar and your vanilla and mix it until everything is combined. Now you're ready to spread your icing over your cooled cake. Well, doesn't that look good? It's time to give it a taste test. That is so good. I've got peanut butter all over me. That good. It's really creamy and it really was easy to make. So I hope you'll give it a try. It's a keeper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Oh, this done got hot. I was cooking lunch. And now I'm just sweating. So until next time, bye y'all.